Hello, and welcome back to a EQ tutorial, I guess. Um, I'm gonna be showing you how to EQ vocals. This will be more for, well, what I'm gonna be presenting is screaming vocals. This may work, well, this will work on any type of vocals. No, I don't have autotune. Let's get that out of the way, okay? No, you don't need a Mac for this. No, you don't need Waves plugins. No, you don't need Pro Tools. This you can use any EQ, any compressor, any reverb, any delay will work for this. So what I'm gonna start by doing is the way I have my screen recording set up is I won't be able to hear any of this in live time. But you guys will hear this. But I already know what this sounds like. It's a song that I created. It's gonna be on my new album. So I already know what it sounds like. So I'll just be showing you visually, I guess, on how to do this. Oh. Okay, so I use Waves plugins. Also I recommend if you're watching this on a desktop, have good monitors, like studio monitors, not like a computer monitor, studio monitors or speakers, I guess. Good speakers is what I'm trying to tell you. Or have headphones on, a good pair of headphones, in order for you to actually hear the difference. Okay, so this is what it sounds like.
You don't have to like me, and you don't have to respect me.
With the compressor. Without.
You don't have to like me.
So what I do when I compress, I try to have it. I'm gonna turn the master down just so that you guys don't have your ears blown out. So what I do when I compress vocals, at least, is so I go here to load, and I go to vocal right here. So this is, or I already have it already set up, but I use a preset for this. It works pretty well, and then because the threshold is set at 0 and the gain is set at 0 automatically. It doesn't change that, so you have to change it. So what I do is, let me solo this. Let me just solo. So right now the reverb and the delay is turned off. So I kind of do it by ear and visually.
You don't have to like
So
me.
I have it so it fluctuates around 6 dB in the orange.
Fucking hate
so 6 and between 3. I tried it. If it goes over 6 dB, then I mean that's fine. It's not gonna hurt anything. And that just helps get like some of those really, really high notes for any kind of singer. So that's what I do. And then so you compress first, and then you EQ. So I'm gonna go over what each of these is doing. Okay, so I'm trying to So yeah, I'm just gonna keep the compressor on, but I'm gonna keep the reverb and the delay off. So I'm actually gonna mute these all together, so that I can solo this off and on, and then you can hear the difference with these. So here's with.
You don't have to like me, and you don't have to respect
And
me,
without.
but you should fucking.
Now in the mix, I'm gonna turn it off first. I'm gonna bypass the beat. See how big of a difference that makes? So basically what this is doing, so what I do, this is a preset that I made. So I load in, open preset, and then bam, I use that. Cancel it. So basically what this is doing is, in vocals, you don't need a whole lot of low end. You should have some. It's not gonna hurt you. Like, I'm only taking like around 50 off. So you don't need a whole lot of low end on the vocals. Like, it is not. It's vocals is supposed to be more the high end over here. So that's based. So I mean, you want her to have a little bit of low end. And what I'm doing here at the 230, at the 132, is actually, I'm gonna bump this up to 9. It's basically giving it. That's more for a scream than anything. That gives it more. I don't want to say body, but basically what you're doing here is it's kind of giving width or depth or something. Makes it more sound. It makes it sound more rounded, I guess. Excuse me. So that's basically what that's doing. On clean vocals, I guess you can have some at like what I had it before at 7, but you should probably go lower at like 4.5. But I'm gonna have it at 9. Whoops. This guy. That's at. Oh, I have it at negative 2.4. But what that frequency does is, if you boost it, it kind of gives you. If you boost it, that's what your real sound. It's what your real voice sounds like. That's what happens when you boost that frequency. In vocals, you don't really need that because it's not supposed to sound like your real voice anyway. I'll probably be doing that when I go in the edit this vocal track that I'm doing right now when I'm speaking into this mic. That's probably what I'm going to be doing. I'm probably going to be boosting that, so it sounds like that's all I'm probably going to do with this. Probably not even compression either, but I don't know. I'll see. So and this I'm actually going to boost this up a little bit. What this one does, you can honestly just have that, and you're good. You can honestly just do that. So what this does, it will. Well, I can't really say what it does because I don't know what it does, but I know how it works. It basically cuts. It can cut through any mix. So I'm gonna unsolo this. It's gonna be with compression too. So fuck you. Okay, so hopefully you can hear that difference. It took me a while to actually hear that difference, but you have to train your ears for that. So with these two, they're kind of doing the same thing, but not really. They're giving more of the high end. It's basically what they're doing, it's giving more high end to my voice, especially with screams. You know, you can't just cut off the lows and have no highs. I mean, that's kind of pointless. So I'm basically just giving myself some highs there, and that helps boost. So after with that, I'm gonna solo these. I'm gonna unmute that, and then reverb and delay. So I'm actually gonna do the reverb first. So I use the reverb, and I just use a basic vocal plate, and that's it. I don't make any changes. I love this preset. It's amazing. So that's what it sounds like with the reverb.
You don't have to like me, and you don't have to respect
Muted.
me, but you should fucking hate me.
So that helps. That helps you give. That helps give body, and like it just makes it feel like you're in a space. Definitely helps. You can honestly just get away with reverb and this. And I'm gonna add and then I usually add delay. Now with delay, I use age delay. Wait, is that what it says? Yes, age delay. And I have my own preset for this. So you probably saw, yeah, age delay. So this is what I do. You can, take a look at this, copy it. If you like this. So this is what it sounds like with
You don't have to like me, and you don't have to respect me,
without.
but you should fucking hate me.
So again, that's what I do. It's 91 beats per minute at halftime. Little bit of feedback. I don't know. It's 21 feedback. So that is, yeah, that's what that, delay. Yeah. Okay. And a little bit, I don't like it too wet, because then it echoes way too much. And I don't add any modulation or filters to analog. Really, yeah, it's not that big of a deal, but yeah. So I'm gonna unsolo these. So here's the raw. Too many plugins. I should really get back to going with the mics. Plain, see? Yeah. Not, you probably can't even hear my voice. I know you can't even hear my voice. And with
You don't have to like me,
big
you don't
difference.
have to respect me, but you should
Very big
fucking
difference.
hate me.
So that's how you do vocals, or that's how at least I learned how to do vocals that work for me. This is not at all how you want it. Like, I'm not telling you how to do it this way. You can do it my way. But honestly, play around with it. In the world of music, nothing is wrong. Nothing sounds bad. Nothing sounds better than something else. It's all about what you want and how you want to do it. So, don't yell at me if you're like, oh, this doesn't work. No, it works for me. It probably doesn't work for you. That's fine. Then change it up. Whoops, I kicked my mic. So play around with it. Whatever sounds good to you, use that. Go with your gut feeling, because it's probably gonna sound good for someone else. Expect an ASMR video soon. My album's gonna be coming out on February 23rd. Everywhere. iTunes, Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, I think it's, yeah, Google Play. Excuse me. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, share. Yeah, and have a wonderful day.